Welcome and congratulations on starting your 7-day Introduction to Meditation course. My name is Adrian. I'm a yoga and meditation teacher. Meditation is one of the most powerful ways you can improve your health, happiness, and work. It's proven by lots of scientific research. Starting is easy. If you've never done anything like this before, or only tried a few times, perfect. You're in the right place. You don't need any fancy clothes or equipment. You don't need to be religious. You don't need to sit cross-legged on the floor or start chanting a mantra. Meditation is for everyone, and everyone has their own way of doing it. I thought it would be useful to start with a few tips. First, finding a place where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes is important. Somewhere you're not conscious of people watching you. Feeling safe and relaxed will help you focus. After some practice, you'll find it easier to meditate anywhere. And this is one of the best things about meditation. It's always with you. It's good if you have some peace and quiet, but don't worry about background noise too much. Some noise can be useful to observe. We know from research that habits are more easily formed if you do them about the same time each day. Doing them in the same place can also help. It's up to you what time of day you meditate. For many people, this is first thing in the morning after getting up. Meditating early this way sets a good tone for the day, and it's sometimes easier to find protected time before things get busy. Find a comfortable seat. A chair is fine. You probably won't want to sit cross-legged on the floor to start, but anything that works is great. Most people find sitting in a chair with the backrest the best, with feet flat on the floor and palms resting on the thighs. Try to keep an upright, naturally straight back. Using a roll towel or cushion tucked into the lower back can be useful. There's lots more helpful tips about learning to meditate that we'll share later on, but for now, let's start with our first meditation. I'll take you through a short meditation to help find some calmness and awareness. We'll do this by going back to the breath. So take a moment to settle into your seat. Look ahead of you with a soft focus. Notice the weight of your body pushing down into the chair. Close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe out, notice how your body softens. As you breathe in, be aware of how your lungs and belly expand. With these deeper breaths, breathe loud enough so that someone sitting next to you could hear you. You don't have to adjust for the super hearing of your dog or cat though. Now with your next breath out, allow the body to relax further with each breath out. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice how your hands feel, resting on your thighs or in your lap. Notice your feet and legs. Be aware of how the soles of your feet press down into the floor. Starting now from the top of your head, take the next few moments to scan down through your body from head to toe. Noticing how your body feels, any sensations present. Be aware of any tense or tired areas. Maybe there's itching or maybe there's tingling. When we're in a rush and caught up inside our own thoughts, we often forget how the body feels. Whatever you notice, acknowledge it and continue scanning your attention downward. Now bring your attention to your breath. Be aware of the flow of the breath in and out of your nose. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. Allow the breath to flow naturally without trying to control it, without trying to change anything. Just observe your breath for a few moments. Notice if there is a short pause between the end of your breath in and your next breath out. Follow the breath wherever it's easiest to follow, where you feel it most strongly. Maybe in the rise and fall of your belly or movement of your chest. Now focusing still on your breath as a way to stay in the present moment, slowly starting to count the breaths from 1 to 10. Counting 1 with the rising sensation of breath, and 2 with your breath out. Just counting silently in your head. Counting 3 on the next breath in, and 4 on the next breath out. Staying focused on the breath. When you get to 10, start again at 1. If you find yourself lost in thought and forget where you're at, and it will happen a lot, start again at 1. It's normal to get distracted. Just bring the attention back again to the breath every time. By noticing, we become more aware. Bringing your attention back to the body. Noticing the physical sensations, the feeling of contact of your body against the chair or the floor. Bring your awareness back to the space around you. Maybe noticing any sounds or smells near you. So how is that? Take a moment to observe how you feel now compared to before you started the practice. Try to do this each time to build up your awareness of how meditation benefits you. Sometimes you'll feel different, and other times maybe not. The main thing is to keep turning up each time. Now slowly opening your eyes. Congratulations on completing day 1. Before tomorrow's meditation, try taking a moment out in your day to be still, and wherever you are, eyes open or closed, take some deep breaths in and out while counting up to 10 as you did today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 2, when we'll be looking at how to build more awareness